Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add the Lamborghini Urus to Grand Theft Auto V. We'll dive straight into the simple steps, ensuring you can quickly get this luxury SUV cruising through Los Santos. This easy method requires just a few tools and a little patience, taking only about 10 to 15 minutes of your time. Get ready to transform your virtual garage and enjoy a brand new driving experience in your game. Before we begin, you'll need two key items. First, download and install OpenRoman4, which is absolutely essential for Grand Theft Auto V modding. It's a free program and quite straightforward to set up. Second, find a Lamborghini Urus add-on mod file. Always choose a reputable source to ensure compatibility and safety. Having your game updated also helps prevent any unexpected issues during installation. Now for the installation. Launch OpenRoman4 and immediately click Edit Mode at the top, confirming Yes when prompted. This allows you to make changes. Next, navigate to your Grand Theft Auto V main directory and create a folder named Mods if it doesn't exist. Inside this Mods folder, copy your update folder, then go to x64 and DLC packs. Drag and drop your downloaded Urus mod folder into this DLC packs location. Almost there. Back in OpenRoman4, navigate to mods/update/update, rpf/common/data and find dlclist, XML, right-click and select Edit. You'll need to add a specific line of code from your mod's README file to this list, then save. Once that's done, close OpenRoman4 and launch Grand Theft Auto V. Use a vehicle trainer, like Simple Trainer, to access the added vehicle menu and spawn your brand new Lamborghini Urus. Enjoy your luxurious new ride.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.